What is stats for knots on YouTube? How to use stats for knots? What is stats for knots on YouTube? How to use stats for knots? Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So stat for knots is a YouTube feature that will output some of the video playing statistics such as dropped frames. This workload will open a defined YouTube video, toggle status for knots, take a screenshot and save the screenshot to the defined output path. In order to toggle this on, as this is by default toggled off, you just have to open your YouTube, go to your profile, go to settings, go to general, and if you have already got this feature, it will appear over here. As you can see, enable stats for knots. Simply toggle this on and done. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.